Thank you very much, Honorable Chair.
Thutha wa mateta maria makoretwo ho megie mihingeria kambuni cia andu kiumbe hamwe na thukuru cia kuheana mathomo ma kuhaririria aria marathie mawira mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja ikoretwo igitungana nayo makiorota ruhonge rwa NITA, riu ministry ya uruti wira ikoretwo ikiarira mitaratara niguo kugia na kihonia. Na umuthi ministry ya uruti wira igitongorio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry nino Geoffrey Kaituko, kambuni cia KAPEA na ASMAC mauma mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi KURUMBUIYA na KUNYABARA MIIKARIRE na MIRUTIRE ya WIRA ya AKENYA mari mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja kuria mekuheanaga mihingeria makoretwo magitungana nayo wira-inĩ wao makirutithania wira hamwe
in our industry.
Na kuona mutaratara mweru wa githomo uria wathugundirwo ni ministry ya uruti wira ubatie kuhuthirwo ni thukuru hari kuhaririria andu guthie mawira mabũrũri-inĩ mangi niguo koretwo ugitumura ngucanio nene gatagati ka mangi kambuni ici ciugite ruhonge rwa NITA rukoretwo na itanya ria kunina kambuni ciao.
With their wrangles in between, we are business people and we are giving Kenyans jobs. Sisi ndio nyasi, tunaumia. Please sit down with us. Let us get back to business.
We want to do the right thing. We want to employ our labor directly. Reason being, the TOTs from NITA, they come and tell us they don't report work, they go to NITA, and when you ask them, they threaten you, I'll report you to NITA.
NITA want the TOTs to come from themselves so that they can limit the number of students we have in our schools.
Na kuona NITA ndia kuruhanirie kambuni ici cia andu kiumbe ta ANYITI ITEMI hindi ya guthugunda na guthondeka mutaratara mweru wa mathomo, kamiti ino ya bunge iria itongoragio ni murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta Lydia Haika ni mendekithitie mutaratara uyu uthugundwo weru.
NITA, you have to go back, make sure all the stakeholders are involved to come up with a curriculum that is we are going to use going forward.
I would like to commit, as the PS has said, that we are having a consultative meeting on Tuesday, which is comprehensive of all of us, and the way forward is that then we will be collectively involved in the revised curriculum.
Na ciegie mutambo mweru uria ubatie kuhuthirwo ni kambuni ici ona hari woyani wao, ruhonge rwa NITA rugite mutambo uyu ni wambiriirie guthondekwo na ukuoya ihinda ria mieri 8 na ugukorwo uri na uguni munene hari gukurana ni akenya igana mareja wa bururi na bururi uria mundu ari.
I want to encourage our recruiters and also our trainers to embrace change, because the labor market is driven by forces that are beyond our control.
Na ciegie mathina mangi maria kambuni ici ciorotete ruhonge ruru namo ni wendia wa transcript ciegeranio. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Geoffrey Kaituko akiuga mathina maya mothe ni megwetherwo kihonia niguo gutigirira akenya matirorwo ni mieke ya mawira mabũrũri-inĩ mangi.
There are inadequacies in law, not just Labor Institutions Act, but also the other laws that were passed in the year 2007. And for that reason, we will be coming with that comprehensive.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.